Hi, it's Jim from Cornbread Hemp, here to answer your questions about CBD oil. One question we get a lot is how to take CBD oil, and it's a good question. A lot of people take it incorrectly, and it's all about how long you hold the CBD oil in your mouth, because you want it to absorb through the capillaries and your mucous membrane to get right into your bloodstream. That increases the bioavailability and better than if you swallow it into your stomach, because then it passes through your liver, and your liver is going to break some of it down. So in order to make the most efficient use, the most effective use of your CBD oil, you want to hold it in your mouth for about a minute or as long as you can. The first thing to do, the first question to ask is about dosage. And a good starting dose is about 25 milligrams. And with our whole flower CBD oil, a starting dose is 1 full dropper is 25 milligrams. Our extra strength is 50 milligrams in a full dropper. But this is a 25 milligram dose. You put it under your tongue and you hold it there for about a minute. And it's not that bad, but at first it could be, hard to get used to, because it's not something that is very common. You're not used to holding something under your tongue for quite this long. But the idea is to hold it there, and then before you're done, you want to coat the inside of your mouth, your tongue, and your gums, so you increase the surface area. You increase the surface area in your mouth that's absorbing the CBD oil, and that makes it more efficient, more bioavailable. But I'm Jim from Cornbread Hemp, and that's how to take CBD oil. Thanks.